Fine, so let's focus on the next concept, counting figures. If you see this counting figures topic, we mentioned like we have to go with counting squares, rectangle, parallelogram, straight line and triangles. Okay, squares, counting number of squares in the given diagram, counting number of rectangles in the given diagram, parallelograms in the given diagram. They'll give some diagram. Okay, counting figures, they'll give some figure or diagram in the question. In that diagram, okay, they may ask you to count number of squares in the diagram or maybe find number of rectangles in the diagram, parallelograms, straight lines or triangles. Okay, and yeah, they can go for cubes or blocks concept also. They'll give a diagram how many cubes in that or how many blocks in that also they'll ask. These are the 6 different concepts. Okay, you need to focus in counting figures. Important for government sector jobs as well as MNCs both. In Accenture company, they're focusing more on this counting number of triangles and counting number of straight lines. They're asking in this in Accenture also. Okay, 1 or 2 questions in reasoning, abstract reasoning, they're asking about this counting figures as well. Triangles, cubes or blocks, straight lines, parallelogram, rectangles and squares. Right. Straightforward, let me go with triangles as it is very important. Later we'll go for remaining things one by one. I'll go with the triangles first. Counting number of triangles in the given diagram. Yeah, so some diagrams may not be there in the booklet, don't worry. Okay, this is regarding triangle. Okay, when you don't have these diagrams in the booklet, you can add on those things. Okay, majority is available, but is not there, you can add on, no issue. Triangles I am discussing now, counting number of triangles in the given diagram. First, let's start with the basic thing before going for the next level question. So this is the basic diagram where you want to count number of triangles. I hope screen is visible. Right, so you can, in this diagram, you need to count number of triangles. What's the answer? How many triangles? In this first one, number of triangles I'm asking. The triangle can be any shape. Don't say equilateral triangle, right angle triangle. No. Triangle, that's it. 6. Yes. 6 is the correct answer. Number of triangles in this diagram is 6. Now what you can do, you can count like, let's give this as A, this is B, this is C. First one A, second one B, third one C. I'm giving label like that. So individually, single triangles A, B, C, 3 are available. Then you can try combination. A, B combined also one triangle, If you combine A triangle and B triangle, then it looks triangle only. A and B area. A is the first one, B is next one. If you combine that also, I'm just mapping that. This is also still triangle only. Similarly, BC also. AB, BC. That's 2 combinations. 2 combination. First single combinations, 2 combination. Then entire 3 also. Don't say A and C, dear. Some people are thinking about A and C. No. A separately, C separately, triangle cannot form. In between gap is there. It's not a triangle shape. Entire ABC is a triangle. You take entire ABC, then it's a triangle. How many triangles so far? 6, right? The shortcut, okay, you have to know from this simple example. We have next typical examples, dear. If you want to handle this type of questions, first we have to know this basic. So here 1, this you take it as 2, this is 3. What is 1 plus 2 plus 3? 6. That is the shortcut. We can write 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. What about next question, sir? In the right side one, what you can write? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. So for the second one, answer is 10. This is the question one. I am writing Q1. For question 1, 6 is the answer. For second question related to triangle, answer is 10. So I want to verify second one. Then what you can do? Write A, B, C, D. A alone, B alone, C alone, D alone, 4. Then combinations if you try A, B, B, C, C, D, you will get 3. Then A, B, C, B, C, D. Then entire A, B, C, D. Like that you have to go. You can do trial and error also. You can verify also. I'm just giving the shortcut for you from the first example. Okay, alone, single triangles. I hope everybody know the triangle shape. It can be any, I don't worry about equilateral triangle or anything. Okay, straight lines required, a polygon with straight lines, three sides, three lines, simple. They're asking how many triangles. Maximum triangles, again some people will question, sir, why you are counting this, ignore this. What is the maximum number of triangles in the figure? Okay, be optive, go with the correct syntax. You can go ahead with how many maximum triangles. How many maximum triangles in the given figure? Again, some people will argue, sir, you can take 3 only. Why you are going up to all possibilities is maximum number of triangles. For any given diagram, maximum triangles, what is that? Okay. This is first two questions to give the basic understanding. Now let's see about the third one. So what about here? What is the number of triangles is? Yeah. If you go with this diagram, this now just now we completed in previous slide. So for this one, how many triangles? 6 triangles. Put it like 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Okay. But here, if you observe, this is called base. This is the base of the triangle, right? Now listen, I have 4 bases like that. B1, B2, B3. B means here base. I have 4 bases, right? When all 4 bases are available, you may not understand how to do that. Okay, maybe going forward, we can understand there is one theorem called superposition theorem. You people may learn that in BE. Okay, fine, BW, yeah, fine. So there, when you have multiple inputs, activate one at a time. What is the output? And sum of all the outputs is what the answer. When you have multiple inputs, activate only one at a time. And what is the resultant output? You will note down. And all cases, sum is what overall output. Here I have 4 bases, right? I'll activate only this base. Only B, this only horizontal line, only B1 available. B2, B3, B4 not available. Then 6 triangles will form. How, sir, means this right side diagram. We already solved. Next, only B2 available. 6. Only B3 available. B4 available. Some people say, sir, do plus 1. Why plus 1 means entire big triangle, sir. Entire big triangle is in the 6 one is available. Don't do plus 1 and all. 6 into 4, 24 is the answer. Simple. Answer is 24. Plus 1 not required because in B4 that big triangle is counted. In B4, how will you get 6? 1 plus 2 plus 3. And that 1 is big triangle only. That okay, that is already counted. Don't do again plus 1 and all. Answer is 24. Number of triangles in this diagram is 24. This comes under visual reasoning or image based reasoning, or we can say non-verbal reasoning. Why, sir, they call this as visual reasoning? Is there is some diagram, visualization is there. You need to visualize and you need to count. Or non-verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning, which is in text format. This is non-verbal reasoning with image format. Or image-based reasoning also we can call. Okay. You can see some textbooks like verbal and non-verbal reasoning with the name. Okay, because of this one. This comes under non-verbal or visual reasoning. Now, what about this question? I hope you can see the question. 63. Excellent. Similar to previous one, here we have 3 bases. For one base, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6 summation is nothing but 21. For one base 21, as you have 3 bases, 21 into 3, 63 will come. If you have one base, 21. So here you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will get 21 for this one base. Again for this base 21, for this base also 21. It's similar to previous one. 21 into 3, 63 is the answer. Base, okay, you have bases B1, B2, B3, B4, base. 21 into 3, okay, you observe all this. Right, what about fifth question then? Here you have good learning. See, we started with very simple basic diagram where you counted 6 triangles. From there, we went to next level. 63 also we counted with the same logic. Okay. Now, if you see the fifth one, what's the answer? 40 is correct. If you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here it is 21. 21. Next, here 1 and 2 only. 3. Next, it is 1, 2, 3. Next should be here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means 10. 1, 2, 3 means 6. Here 1 plus 2 means 3. If you add 10 plus 6 plus 3 plus 21, you can say it's nothing but 40. One, two, three, four, five, six, 1, 2. Whenever you want to start from 1. This is the other base. Don't say, sir, here 6, next is 7 and 8. Not allowed. Don't take 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. 6, this is different base, above is different base. Whenever different base starts, you start with 1. Counting number of triangles. Imagine if you don't have these tricks, counting manually everything, you may not get the correct answer also. You may start. That's what the problem with reasoning, dear. Same question they may ask in the exam. Let's say you don't have any training like this. Okay, what do people do? Yeah, you people answer the question. I know. You may got 8 means, sir, answer available 9 or 10 means. You will say, sir, 8 close answer, 9 and 10. I'll go with 10 answer. Something like that. We'll mark the answer. But problem, okay, if you want to, reasoning is all about that. Every question looks like you people know. But whether you are getting the correct answer or not, point one, how much time taken to get the correct answer? Let's say this 40 also you count manually everything like A, B, C, D, what we did for the basic example. It's not possible here. Some people may question me, sir, prove this, is it exactly 40 or not? We can prove if we take 1 hour time. Like let's say this is A, B, C, D, we'll give the label, we'll show 1, 1 separately. This is first triangle, second triangle. We can prove that 40, but in exam, it's not possible. So we need to prepare as per the exam point of view. We have to solve the question in 1 minute. That's what our target. Okay. Let's see about the next question here. Now, this may not be available in the booklet, don't worry, but see this, 5th and 6th, 5th is completed, it seems, 6th and 7th. If any diagrams are not available, no problem, take this add-on things. This is to understand the basic first. Now, here also they are asking triangle. See, so far, we discussed 5 questions. All those 5 questions, what is the outline shape? Triangle, and they are asking triangle. But here, the outline shape looks like square or rectangle, but they're asking triangle only. Next, going forward, they may be outline shape is different, but still they may ask you the triangle also. Triangle is very important. Out of all the concepts in counting figures, triangles alone we are going to discuss 20 plus examples. Remaining all together 20 only, but triangles alone 20. That you can see the importance of the triangle. How many different models exist also, right? Now, if you see about this one, how many triangles? 8. So basic question, we'll go with manual calculation. A, B, C, D. Okay, A is one triangle, B is one triangle, C is one triangle, D is one triangle, total 4. 1 combination. Then what do you have to do after one combination? Try 2 combinations. AB is one triangle if you observe, BC combination, CD, DA. Super. 4, right? Then if you try any 3, the overall shape is not triangle. Your overall target should be, the shape should be triangle. So here how you can say BC or CD or DA, you draw the line, you can see that. If it is DA, you see this is a triangle only. I take D area, A area, if you combine, that looks like triangle only, no problem. But some people say BCD, if I join BCD, the overall shape is not triangle. So don't do that. We don't get more, so total 8 only. Right. Now what is the shortcut, Write numbers. 1, 2, here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. What's the last number? Double is your answer. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the last one? Double is your answer. Provided there is two diagonals available. Provided diagonals available. I hope everyone knows what is the diagonals and all. So this is what. Provided two diagonals are available. This is one diagonal one, this is diagonal two. Two diagonals available in the diagram. Okay, then yes, definitely it's available here. But I'm just, some people are applying all times. But two diagonals are available. If you want to verify the second one, again go A, B, C, D, E, F. You try one alone, two alone, three alone combinations. What are the possibilities? All combinations you try. Finally, you will get 12 only. Okay. So 4 into 2, 8 for the sixth one. Seventh one is 12. Good. Now see the next one. I hope you understand sixth and seventh. Seventh one, if you still have a doubt, please take A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F individually 6. Then combinations 6 and 1, 3 and 4 only available. Two combinations. If you want to take two combinations, 6 and 1, 3 and 4 only. Not all. Then later you can check all possibilities. You will get 12 only. Finally, you will get 12 only. I'm sure. Now, what about this diagram? 16. Here, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And two diagonals are available. Then you can apply the shortcut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 2 times 16. So okay. 16 triangles. Sir, this is easy. But next the applications will come. Like in triangle we discussed first basic one, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then using that we build up the next level. Here also we are done with the basic only. Okay, in square shape, overall shape looks like square. But how many number of triangles, maximum number of triangles inside that? We solved first one 8, next one 12. And this is 16. Superb. Now this diagram is having two such things. Internally how many? 1 to 8, 8 into 2, 16 internally. Externally also again 16. Internally 16, externally 16. So 16 plus 16, 32 will come. Is it available in the booklet? This diagram? Yes. So majority added. Okay, fine. So 1 or 2 maybe if it is missing, don't worry, you copy that new diagrams. So 8, 8, 2 times 16 internally. External also same thing. 16 will come. So 16 plus 16, 32 is the answer. Same question, imagine without this trick. Counting all manually is not a big task. It's not an easy task. So that's what main worry is about. We're always worrying about this. Solving these type of questions in exam, okay, less time is what the main priority. So write 1 to 16. Next 16 is because of what? Second 16 because of outer layer. So for better clarity, I'll mention here itself. First 16, second 16. This 16 because of outside, this 16 because of inside. 16 plus 16, 32. Next one, this is available? Available, good. But this is excellent question, you have a good update. 24, okay, let's see. 16. Number of triangles only, right? They are asking. Okay. Now, if you observe, this is basically, okay, a square shape internally with two diagonals available. First this is available, right? For this, how many triangles? 8. I hope up to here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last number 4 double is 8. Up to this point, we already done. Now, what's the extra thing happened? This line is here. There is one line here. Now, listen. When they add this line, you know, in this corner, 3 triangles are formed. How, sir? 1 and 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Are A and B, AB. That corner you observe. Top left corner because of that one blue line added. Here 1, 2 and combined 1, 3. 3 triangles are generated. Let's take it AB. Other one is AB combined 3. 3 in that corner, 3 in this corner, 3 in this corner, 3 in this corner. So how many corners? 4 into 3, 12 plus 8, 20. Now let me know if any other new triangle you got. Let me know. First I draw the basic one with red line. There you got 8. Then I'm adding blue lines. Each blue line contributed, okay, 3 new triangles. We have 4 blue lines drawn. 4 into 3, 12 you added. 20 is the answer. You check anything, okay, missed, please let me know. And don't add extra lines here. This is the only lines available. Don't draw a horizontal line, then above one triangle. You don't add any other lines. For this given diagram, what is the total number of triangles? That's the problem. Some people given 16 answer, some people given 20. The options, they'll give close 24 also. Some people said, yes. They'll give all these options. Ending with correct answer. I am not saying that you are not able to attempt it. Yes, you people attempt. How much time taken to complete that question? Whether your answer is correct or not. Reasoning is all about that. Every question everybody will know. Shall I go for the next one? Right, this is one good question, good learning. Next one, this is a typical example. I hope is this available? This diagram? No, add this please. This is typical example. Number of triangles only, but overall shape is square. Overall shape looks like square, but they're asking number of triangles only. It's not yet completed. We're done with overall shape triangle. We're done with overall shape square after this. Next, I'm going for rectangle shape. Overall looks like rectangle shape. Draw the diagram. We'll give a clarity how to handle this. Whatever we learned so far will help you out to solve this question. Now, see this thing. I think this is completed. This diagram, what I'll draw. From this, I'll just go ahead with this example later. May not be the exact diagram what I am drawing, so but you can understand. So this one we completed. How many triangles in this shape? I think we are done with this shape already. 32. This shape completed or not? 32 you said. What is the 32 is? Internally 16, externally 16. If you know, if you see, if you clearly observe, in the right side diagram also this is internally there. What are the left side shape I drawn? If you focus, in right side diagram it's already available. This all things you can observe, it's available. What are I drawn in left side in blue color up to now? Right side you can observe this diagram in red color. I'm just putting that in red color so you can at least observe that that's available here. Okay, so 32 is guarantee, right? Now what is the extra thing? Listen, this need you need to focus a bit more. Let's see. I draw one extra line. I'm using some other ink. Okay, let's go with this. I'm drawing one line here. Can anyone say with this line, sky blue line, what I draw, how many new triangles formed? This line. This line created how many new triangles? That sky blue line. I'm asking again. That sky blue line creates how many new triangles? It's 2. Everybody is looking into that small triangle, but there is a big triangle available because of that line. This big triangle you focus. I'll just, okay, we'll remove that and we'll check once again. So If this is not there, this big triangle not able to form. If I draw that line now, okay, if we draw this line, now you can observe that big triangle. So with that one line, two triangles, one more line here, two triangles, one more, then that shape will come. How many new lines? How many such new lines required? 8 new lines, each one contributing two new triangles. 16, 3 times 48 is the answer. One new line generated two new triangles. Some people are still worrying about the two big new triangles. One small, one big one. I'll just show at least with this dot manner. You can see that big triangle here. I'm putting in dots manner at least. You can join and check that. It's a big triangle. This is not possible without that small line. You maybe with this line you know about the small triangle, but this big triangle can also be formed with that new line. So one new line generated two new triangles, okay, and you have 8 lines. Then only that right side shape will come. You see now, left side shape is same as right side one, but with that 8 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 2, 16. So 16, 3 times 48. One new line, two triangles is generated. So 16 plus 8 into 2, we got altogether 48. Clear? Triangles, so far we discussed overall shape is like square, before that overall shape triangle. Now see the next one, overall shape clearly looks like a rectangle only. Now this one. Here also my question is how many triangles? Okay, in this left side shape first, then right side shape, one more I added. I think one among this the only there in the booklet, not both are there. Fine, good. What's the answer for this? 18, 16, 16, 16. Okay, 18. See, we discussed this first one separately. First one separately, how many? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 double is 8. So first one 8, second one 8, 16. But you combined. When it is separated 16, as you combined, my dear friend, you observe in this 8, in the okay, this is the 8. Okay, I'm generating from this one. If you just go ahead, 1, 2, 3, 4, from this we got 8, agreed. But here, this big one is not available in that 8. This big triangle. In this 8 plus 8, 16, this big triangle is not available. Upward, one in downward shape. I am putting with this circular dot model. So two new triangles generated. As you combined, separately if it is there, if that is separate, second one separate, two squares separately means 8 plus 8, 16 only. But as I joined, because of that common base, common side, okay, two big triangles formed. You can see that. One with thick lines, one with the dots. So plus 2 you have to put. So answer is 18. Now you learn something, expecting you people to solve the next one. 28. 8 here, 8 here, 8 here. The combination of okay, in the combined one, 2. So 8, 28 is correct answer. Second, next one is 28. Number of triangles. They asked this question this year in Accenture. Second question, this one. Given in Accenture this year. I'm putting ACC dot. Don't say it's Ambuja Cement and all. It's Accenture. ACCC dot. I'm not writing full. Okay, it's Accenture company. They asked this question in Accenture. Number of triangles in the given diagram. Done with this? Fine. Still there are learning. So one point you keep in mind, when you combine when you join two separate shapes, because of combining one, is there any new triangles we need to verify? This is overall shape is rectangle. Next one, this question also this year they given an Accenture. Here also I combined. In this, I want what is the number of triangles. This is two different shapes for your information. To avoid wrong answer, I am giving you two separately. Then you think about it. I am separately giving. Then you join. Then what is the effect? We'll check. Now, first one separately, how many triangles? Below left side. This one is this one separately. Below left side shape is 3. Right side shape 12 or 8 or 16. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it should be 12. The answer finally, you know, what's the answer? 17 is correct. 3 plus 12 plus 2. Why plus 2, sir? To show that only, I separately draw this. Now, as you combine, there is two extra triangles generated here because of this common side. What is the two extra triangles here? You can see that now I am writing above one, below one. So above here we can observe this is the one triangle. This is not available in below C. In 3 and 12 that's not available. That big shape what we draw above, that's not available in the 3 and 12. Some people say 3 plus 12, 15. No. Answer is that is extra 2. Okay. Here one more available. What is the other one, sir? Below also you have triangle, right? That is one. The other one is this. This is the other one. Purple one and below sky blue one. Two new. This is about the two new triangles. Purple one and sky blue one together, right? So total we got 17. And again, some people have a wrong perception like, sir, whenever there is a common side, put to 2 extra, sir. To avoid that perception, wrong perception, I give another question right side. Here common side is there, but don't directly put 2, sir. It's not a rule. Whether there, how many possibilities says there is, yeah, this is 1, this is 8, okay. This is 1 separately, this is 1 separately. Middle one 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, double 2, right, left side 1, right side 1. But as it is combined, here I got one extra triangle only. As I combined, I got one big triangle in here. This is common side only, but only one extra I got, not 2. Don't try to fix 2 is whenever common side is there. You may be having that wrong thought because of last 3 examples. Last 3 examples, whenever common side is there, here 2, here I put 2, 2 like that. But don't repeat it every time. It's not a rule. Okay, here I got only one extra. This is also common side. Okay, here I got one extra triangle. So final answer is 12. So 1 plus 1 extra and 1 plus 8 plus 1 generally. So we got 12. Number of triangles. Number of triangles. Right, let's see about the next one. Triangles only we are discussing. How many examples completed only triangles? 12. Only in triangles. Now see this next one. This may not be available. I think directly you may have big diagram. Like this might be. Okay. This diagram you add on. Now again back to the original shape is triangle only. How many triangles in this? This is very simple one, but my thought process is not about this question. Okay, I have to solve this big diagram like this. Okay, we'll start with the basic as usual. We're starting with the basic, then slowly we'll go for the next level. So this one you try first. How many triangles are possible? If you label it, okay, A, B, C, D, first we'll go with the, if it is a new type of diagram, first analyze it, understand the logic, then go for the big one. Okay, I'm writing E, F, G, H, I. So A, B, C, so on up to I. Individually, how many is there? 9. You can try combinations also. 2 combinations triangle not possible here. Triangle shape, not rhombus shape. Then 3 combination, no. 4 combination. A, B, C, D you combine. Is it triangle shape? B, E, F, G you combine. D, G, H, I you combine. Yes, so you have 3 with 4 combinations. I'll show one among that. What I written there is this. B, F, G. This is triangle shape only. Similarly, DGHI if you combine, it's like a triangle. Then entire one. You don't have anything other than this. So we have 13 totally. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is entire 13. 13 triangles is there in this shape. Okay, as it is only 3 levels. This is called 3 levels. 3 levels. First A is 1 level, B, C, D second level, E, F, G, H, I third level. Or maybe base layer, above layer, 3 layers only. Or 3 levels only we can say. If it is 3 levels, okay, well and good. People can do manual calculation like this. But imagine if it is 5 levels like this. If question is 5 levels, writing A, B, C, D and all, verifying all down to bottom up, bottom to above. Okay, this shape also. Triangle in down shape also we can see. All you are trying is not easy task. Okay, triangle in down shape, triangle above shapes, all possibilities. Picking is not a easy job. So we need some alternate, okay, to find the question. So we solve different examples with all different levels. Then we brought one simple logic where n is number of layers or number of levels. If n is number of levels and n value is even, if n is number of levels and n value is even, number of triangles is, we brought up one formula. Okay, so after handling all different type of examples, we developed one formula like n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 divided by 8. Whereas if n is odd number, see the difference. If n is odd number, number of triangles should be n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1. The entire of this product should be subtracted by 1, whole divided by 8. The number of triangles in two situations. First one is when n is even, second one is when n is odd number. See, it's very easy to remember. You people know sum of squares of natural numbers. What is sum of squares of natural numbers? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. There n plus 1, here n plus 2. There divided by 6 is divided by 8. That change is there. That n plus 1, sum of squares of natural numbers. Okay. And sir, no, I have a doubt, okay, to whether it is correct or not. That's what. We can verify this here. For previous one is how many levels? Previous one, how many levels? 3 levels. And see, there is a reason why I put minus 1 in the second one, See, one formula sufficient here, whether above 1 or below 1. So why you put minus 1 here is, if n is odd number, my dear friend, what is n plus 2? If n is a odd number 5, what is n plus 2? 7, odd number, right? What is 2n plus 1? When n is odd number, n is 5. 2n plus 1 means 11, odd number. Listen, n is odd number, n plus 2 odd number, 2n plus 1 odd number. Odd number into odd number into odd number will give odd number only. It cannot be divided by 8. But odd number minus 1 will give, it can be divided by 8. Don't say number of triangles is 10.33. Not correct, right? 10 is okay. To do that correction, that's why we did minus 1. Sir, above 1, below 1, what is the difference? Minus 1. Why that is? This is the reason. When n is odd number, odd into n plus 2 odd number into 2n plus 1 odd number, odd into odd will give odd number. Minus 1 will give even. Even can be divided by 8. But odd cannot be divided by 8 directly. So that's why we did that minus 1. That's the only change above and below. And we can verify that in previous one, here n value is 3. Our formula is n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1. Entire should be subtracted by 1, then divided by 3 into 5, 15. 15, 7 times 105. 105 minus 1 is 104 divided by 8, 13. You got the answer. So we did different level of things, and finally we bring one formula here. So that's what n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 8. If it is odd number, do minus 1. Or do directly divide by 8 also, no problem. Instead of doing minus 1. Suppose you got answer is 10.33, take 10 only. How many number of boys? 101.33 not allowed, 101. Number of boys must be integer. Number of triangles must be integer. You instead of doing minus 1, you divide directly by 8 also. You got some points, ignore it, take only integer part. That's also sufficient. No need to do minus 1 also if that is the case. If you want exact answer, do minus 1 then divide by 8, or do directly divide by 8. If you got some points, ignore it, take only integer part. 10.15 means take only 10. Likewise. Now what about left side question answer? How many levels this is? This one. Here it is not 5. It is 4. Previous one with 3. Okay, we given manual calculation and we solve the same thing with formula model. Now this one, n value 4. Our formula says n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 divided by 8. You can see the answer is nothing but 27. This is with 4 levels. This is with 4 levels. N value 4. You have 4 levels here. N value 4. Is this available in the booklet? No, directly n value 5 is available. That's what. One or two things missed. You can add this 4 levels related diagram. Now one extra thing I did again here, I don't see, some people think, so this is very easy, what is their learning? Why manual counting required? What's the stuff? What's my presence? Right? Here, your presence will be shown here. You can show your presence here. What I did, you know? I removed one line here. I removed one line. This is not full diagram. Then what can be done? If suppose they give the right side question, okay, without that line, put the dots, assume there is a line. If line is available, how many triangles? Like left side shape, if line is available, 27 will come, right? Now after that, if you remove the line, how many triangles will lose? This one and this one only will lose. Minus 2, 27 minus 2, 25. But don't always think minus 2 only. If I remove this line, you know, this triangle also missing. This triangle also I'm missing. If which line is removed, because of that, how many triangles were missing? That you need to calculate. Don't fix minus 2 in your mind. But this line, if I remove, you know, only these two will be affected. But if I remove this line, you know, this triangle, too small, this one will be removed. If this is not there, this triangle not possible. If it is not there, this triangle not possible. So you need to look into which line is removed. Don't fix minus to your mind. Now you can, okay, your presence is important there. If that line removed, okay, which line removed? Because of that, what is the effect? You cannot by heart now. You just need to work on it. So the better way of solving this question is overall minus, okay, if that line is this, I put dot lines. Okay, that is that 27. If that line is missing, these two triangles only affected. If suppose this line is missing, I'm just putting about this line. Imagine if this line is missing, you know, these two triangles affected and this triangle affected. This one will be missed. Okay, so 3 will be affected because of this line. If you remove that line, which I put in red color now, that will affect 3. If I remove this one, you know, this will affect 4. Like that, you have to check. It may not be 4 only, beyond that. 1, yeah, 4 only. Fine. This will give more than that, 5 effect will come. So depends on which line you are removing, what is the effect, we need to worry about it. Okay. Now 5 levels, 48. So 5 into 7 into 11, entire this minus 1 divided by 8, you got 48. 364 divided by, so 384 divided by 8. N value 5. Number of levels is 5. Okay. So n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 minus entire that product minus 1 whole divided by 8. Right. Triangles alone, this much depth is there. And this question they given an Accenture this year. This one also important. With okay, after this one more question I think. This one left side one they given an Accenture. Along with this one question I think triangles will complete. Only 3 questions left. Fine. Now first complete the right side one. How many triangles in this? Right side one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 small triangles. Whether you agree 6 small triangles available? You can see that corner 6 small triangles available. And what is the big triangles? 2 big triangles. One in above triangle, one inverted one. I'll show that also. 2 big triangles. Correct. We have 6 small triangles and 2 big triangles. This is the big triangle. And the above lines which is unshaded, that's also big triangle. I'm shading only one thing. The other one you can shade. So this is downward triangle, other one upward triangle is there. 2 big triangles. Total 8. 8 in this. Okay. 8 triangles. Fine. But left side one, can anyone imagine what is the number of triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 small triangles. Okay. 5 small triangles. Okay. 5 big triangles also there. Total 10. Left side one given in the Accenture company where you have option 7, 8, 9, 10. Some of you people said 7, 8, 9, but correct answer is 10. What about that 5 big triangles, sir? I hope you have the clarity regarding small triangles, right? In this one. 5 small triangles, I hope you know that every corner, okay, this corner, this one small triangle, this one small triangle. This one small, this one small, this one small. 5 small, okay. What about 5? Big triangles, right? I'll show. If we draw it only in one diagram, if people may confuse, I hope you copy that 5 small triangles, right? I'll show that 5 big triangles. 5 big triangles, I'll just show you. Yeah, I'll show it here in 5 diagrams so that you people can check it out again and again. Whether it is correct or not, you may have a doubts. That's why I'm drawing 5 stars here and I'll show that 5 big triangles here. Drawing in one diagram, you will definitely will confuse. I'm showing that in 5 different diagrams, that 5 big triangles. Otherwise, you people may think about, so this is already there, this is already there. You may have that thought. Okay. So I'll show one by one here. Yeah, this is big triangle. One big triangle. This is second big triangle, which is not related to previous one. Not related to previous one, right? Okay. Next one, this triangle is also not there. You may think about above one and this one is different. This is different one. And this triangle, this is also not done. It looks it's completed, but it's not done. This is the other one. So 5 big triangles is this. 5 plus 5 total 10. You see, no, not even one are same. Shape is okay, but different positions. All 5 are different. This is why I'm showing in a different slide. If I show it in one slide, you people may assume that Okay, it's overlapping or same thing is repeated like that. I'm showing in 5 different diagrams. You can clearly focus. All those are different things. 5 big triangles and 5 small triangles, total 10 triangles. Okay, this question you try. Okay, you will get it like, what's the answer? Anyone completed this one? I hope this is okay. This is 10. What about this diagram? 12. Anyone? This is also given in recent try. Yeah, A, B, C, D, E, F, we will get 6. Then combinations is B, C, D, E, F, A, 3. Then 3 combinations are A, B, C, B, C, A, sorry, B, C, D, D, yeah, C, D, E also available. D, E, F also available. E, F, A also available. F, A, B also available. 6. Then 4 combination, 5 combination not possible entire. Answer is 16. Not 12 and all. 1 alone, 6, 2, 2 combinations, then 3, 3 combinations, A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, E, D, E, F, E, F, A, F, A, B. Yeah. You try all those, you can find. Then entire thing is one triangle, so total 16. This is also given in recent Accenture try. So this is regarding triangles. And anyone having any doubt, please let me know.